In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a starter on a Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located on the bottom side of the motor. Let's get started. Using an 8mm wrench, loosen the negative terminal on the battery. Remove the negative battery cable and put it off to the side so it will not contact any bare metal. Using a 13mm socket, we are going to remove the nut for the terminal. Remove the nut and remove all of the cables. Get those off to the side. Using an 8mm socket, we're going to remove the nut for the second line on our starter. Remove the nut, pull that line down. Using a 13mm socket, we're going to break the bolts free. Remove the starter bolts. When you remove this last bolt, be sure you have a hand on the starter because it's now ready to come out. We'll drop it back and then pull it forward. Continue twisting and flipping until you're able to remove the starter. Using a 10mm socket, remove the nut for the heat shield. We're going to flip the starter over. On the other side here, we have two E5 bolts. Remove those two. Do the same thing on the back side. And remove the bolt. Remove the heat shield, pull it up, and push it back off of the stud and remove it from the starter. Install the cover over the stud in the back, and then drop it down in the front. Install the bolts. Get them both started. And snug them down. Snug the bolts down. Install the nut on the back side of the starter. Snug the nut down. Now we're ready to install our starter. Install the starter up into place. Install this outside bolt before it's fully installed. Push the starter into the bell housing and get this front bolt started. Reach up and get the rear bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the bolts to 37 foot-pounds. Reach up and remove the nut and washer off our small post. Install the smallest cable onto that post. Get your washer and nut started. Using a 7mm socket, snug down that nut. Snug down the nut and get it nice and tight. I'm going to reach up and remove the nut off our large post. There's also a washer up there. Install the two cables onto the post. Get that lock washer started. Install the cables onto the post. Install your lock washer. Install the nut. Snug the nut down. Get it nice and snug. Install the negative battery cable. I'm going to get the bolt started by hand. Snug down the bolt for the terminal. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.